these games between Team Sarat and Team Pasukin. Pasukin gets the first possession. Cariaga. The pull up. Yes, sir. Medrano. Tukabinyan. Ay, alwada mang kagtartaray kito maitiklib ka, maperdi. Pasukin basketball. Number 31 dribbling the ball. Passes to number 7. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by number 16. Kabinyan ngayon. Passes to 19. Godoy sa ilalim. The fadeaway. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by number 5. Bugawisan. Signaling the play. Passes to Cariaga. Cariaga to Bugawisan. Number 31 sa labas. Wala. Out of bounds in favor of Sarat. Kabinyan. Dribbling the ball. Passes to number 19. Balik kay Kabinyan. To Medrano. Medrano pa rin. Drumayb. May foul. Foul on number 5. Holding foul. At the line, shooting to Medrano. Misses the first. Split charities for Medrano. Gabay. Bugawisan. Cariaga. The bread and butter of Pasukin. Dugot sa ilalim. Blocked by Medrano. Medrano. The pass to Godoy. Godoy, the side-stepping move. Yes, sir. Ang ganda naman. Cariaga. The fake. Wala. Balik kay Cariaga sa labas. Wala. Ball pick up by Cariaga. The pass. Pick up by... And Medrano nag-isa. Yes, sir. Easy 2. Number 5 dribbling the ball. Passes to number 6. Bugawisan. Tugabay. Cariaga. Triangle play. Wala. Rebound Godoy. Number 19. Stop and pop. Yes, sir. Magaling. Gabay. Walang mapasahan. Cross court part to Cariaga. Balik kay Bugawisan sa labas. Wala. Ball pick up by Bugawisan. Sa gitna. Godoy. Baseball pass. Di matanganan ng bola. Sarat momentarily up by 5. Gabay. May nakitang foul sa ilalim. 35, blocking foul. 45. Matthews. Tubugawisan, stolen by Cabinyan. Cabinyan to Diza. Diza, the layup. It's good. Gabay. Nagbababa ng bola. Passes to Bugawisan. Balik kay Gabay. To Matthews. Matthews. The baseline. Uy! Ang laki. Sinausaw. Ranyada. Medrano. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound by Gabay. Gabay nagmamadali. Domirecho. Wala. Rebound by pick up by Cabinyan. To Godoy. Godoy. Wala rebound. Matthews. Traveling. Same foot. King sa King. Cabinyan. Breathing heavy. Medyo pagod na yung point guard ng Sarat. Cabinyan pa rin. Dancing. May foul. Foul on number 31. Pushing. Sideline inbound. Tuck in your jersey properly, players. Tuck in your jersey properly. You are being watched all over the world. Cabinyan. Diza sa labas. Bang! Diza, 3 points. Carriaga. Sa ilalim. Diza. Ranyada. Matthews. Gaya Matthews. Cabinyan. Godoy. Up and under move. Wala. Anything but the shot. Godoy pa rin. Wala pa rin. Minamalas. Diza. The short jumper. Yes, sir. Pinapahirapan ni Godoy. Simple-simple para kay Diza. Bugawisan. Gabay with the pick. Loose ball. Substitution. Ranyada out. Matthews in. Out. Time out. Pasukin. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Some fresh legs for Sarat. Also with Pasukin. Pasukin the baseball pass. Godoy. May foul. Foul on number 21, hacking foul. At the line, shooting 2, Godoy. 13 foul, Pasukin. Misses the first. Split charities for Godoy. Number 21, nagbababa ng bola. Number 2 sa ilalim, teardrop by number 11, number 2, Agkawili. Ball rebound by number 16. Stolen by Lotranya. Out of bounds. Substitution. Saison in. Diza out. Block. 8 to shoot. Carriaga. The drop. Block na naman. Sarat basketball. Lotranya dribbling the ball. Lotranya, no look pass. Good intention, bad execution. Carriaga. Walang mapuntahan. 10 to shoot. Ball stolen. Nagmamadali si number 5. Wala, rebound. Pick up by number 2. Wala. Foul on number 16. Pushing foul. Baseline inbound. Sarat. Warning for team penalty, Pasukin. Muntik na. Pero ayaw pumasok. Foul on number 11, holding foul. Pasukin, team penalty. At the line, shooting to Godoy. Makes the first. Two out of two. Foul on number 16. Illegal pick. Substitution. Godoy out. Agoto in. Number 16, Pasukin. Second personal. Sarat up by 9 as we enter the 1 minute and 20 seconds of the first period. Lotranya. Walang mapuntahan. Stolen by Carriaga. Number 21, Dumirecho. Wala. Rebound by James. Kabagyan ni Lebron James. Lotranya. Passes to James. James to Lotranya. The drop, wala. Uy! Ang ganda naman. Tira ni Agkawili. Garcia. Passes to Lotranya. Lotranya. Sumalaksak, the drop. Hindi matanganan ni Agoto. Cariaga signaling the play. Cariaga pa rin. Ten seconds to shoot. 21, wala. Rebound. Lotranya. The pass to James. Yes, sir! James for the easy two. Official score 19-10. Sarat. This Congressional Friendship Athletic Meet is brought to you by Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos in cooperation with 521 Traders Incorporated. Oh, tingin man naging pangabakan yun. Tibagas Ken Water Dispenser. Mga baktibagas, ticket number 1273, 1397, 1076, 1351, 1049, Kenti mga bakti water dispenser, 1155. 1155. You may claim your prizes at the management.
Team Sarat penalty.
Substitution. Medrano out. Unsportsmanlike foul number 16. Sarat for holding the jersey. Time out, Pasukin. Official score 28-22. Sarat up by 6. Sinungat at mga bakti water dispenser nga sumaruno. At dapay bagas water dispenser ken TV nga abaken. Okay, back to the ball game. Arriaga to Bugawisan. Bugawisan, the lap pass. Wala. Kabinyan. Mamadali. Binitin. Yes, sir. Kabinyan, the easy two. Bugawisan to Arriaga, the fake, the drive. Block by Godoy. Kabinyan ngayon, nagmamadali. Sidestepping move, yes sir! Kabinyan, the former MVP of Sarat. Matthews, to Arriaga, the fake. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Traveling violation, extra step. Kung wala kang passport, hindi ka pwedeng lumipad. Substitution. James to Kabinyan. Kabinyan ay Bugawisan. 3-on-1. Dumiretso. May naapakan. Godoy 1-on-1 with Arriaga to Kabinyan. Yes sir. Injury timeout. Sukatan yun coach. Nakapaddak. Sige. Coach, sunod sukat na. Sumreklatan. Okay, back to the ball game. Arriaga. Sumalaksak. Wala, rebound by Godoy. Godoy, nagbaba ng bola to Kabinyan. Kabinyan, sidestepping move. Ball's taken away by Gabay. Gabay nagmamadali. Hinahabol ni Godoy. Yes, sir! Gabay with a lefty. Diza to Agoto. Agoto Pates to Kabinyan. To James. Godoy sa low post. Balik kay James. The drive. Wala. Agoto, the follow-up. May foul. Foul on number 6. Hacking foul. Agoto makes the first. Players, di kita lang tugaw nga na i-provide ti mabalin nyo pagtugawan. para hindi kayo matawagan ng improper bench decorum. I'll go to the second throw. 2 out of 2. As we enter the final 9 seconds of the second period. Ranyada. Yes, sir. That ends the first half. Sarat up by 10, 26-36. And I need 2 participants nga lalaki. 2 nga lalaki. No di ko yati 2 nga lalaki. 2 nga awan nga tat makagura. Tay half-half nga lalaki. 2. May sabay. May sabay nga kaslakastoy melat kadakkel na. Ma'am Sia, tay tali tayo. Tay tali. May sabay nga kastoy kadakkel na. Please. Please. O representative ti Congressional Office. Tay tali, tay tali. Tali. Tay tali tayo. Tay tali. Please. Ha? Shooting with a twist. Tay tali, tay tali. Awan? Alla na pukaw tay tali. Pinagtali da tinwang. Awan tay tali tayo. O, paspasan nyo get agtartaray ta oras.
Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maisa ng aking pangungulila. Happiness fairy tale, but I don't wanna wait
Awan, awan.
this dream, baby. Ayoko
O, no awan. Ag-shoot out dalatan no awan.
iwanan. Ay pag-asa nga ba?
Hanyo na itugot.
Baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan. Mahiwagan sa lamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig. Mahiwagan sa lamin, ano bang dapat ko?
Awan, Ma'am Sia, awan.
Bakit ang puso'y
Ah, gaputa awan ta Italy. Shoot out latan. Anat kahit yung pag-shootan nyo. 3 points or half court.
Tay okay kuma?
Tilatan, tilatan. GIP, GIP. I need assistance. GIP. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Hello? Hello? Mabuhay. Ayan, so naimbag nga Rabii! Ilocos Norte! Ayan. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing right before you is a 25 stunner from the Sunshine City of Lawag.
Thank you, thank you. Congratulations. Introduce yourself.
Ako nga pala si Giancarlo Paz, nakatira sa Lawag.
Oy, Tagalog. Hindi ka naawatan. Sino to muna ag-shoot? Oh, sige. Sino to muna ag-shoot? Ladies first. Sige. Tiyanat kayat mo. Ito yung just asidig. No just asidig nalaklaka. No adadayo na ngingina. Okay, sige. You have 3 chances to make a shot. Okay, first try. Oy! Cheer! Ayun. Sana dumanon. 1, 2, 3. Hanag tugaw ang shoot. Okay. Oh! Mabali niya sa sinig tayo ba si Taring? Mabali niya sa sinig tayo? Adayo. Oh, two more. Oh, cheer up! Iso lang nga iso. Yes, sa sinig mo. Itoy. Yes, sa sinig mo. Iso lang nga iso. Sige sir. You have, may 3 tira ka. Sige, first shot. Uy, parang basketball player. Forma pa lang, panira na. Wala pa rin. Last shot. Pasok! Congratulations! Jai. And we're back to the ball game. Oh, while waiting, kita nyo na kita yung number yo. Mga bakti bagas, number 1119, Talungawan and 9, 1344, 1344, 1080, 1138, 1057, 1239, 1254. Mga Bakti TV, 1267. And mga Bakti Water Dispenser, 1090. Jay ma'am, ijay di pag-claiman nyo. Ora agir iriyak kayo no di kayo maban ijay hana dumanon ta TV. Pasukin basketball. TV ma'am ijay. Abinyan dribbling the ball. Foul on number 2. Agawili blocking. Agawili second personal. First team foul pasukin. Kabinyan to Godoy sa gitna. Godoy. Block! Karyaga nagmamadali ito De La Cruz. Hindi natakanan ng bola. Kabinyan. To Diza. Diza dribbling. Godoy provided a screen. Diza the jump. Yes sir, using the glass. Gabay. Passes to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Gabay. To Carriaga. Carriaga. Kick out pass kay De La Cruz. Wala. Ball pick up by Medrano. Diza. Passes to Godoy. Godoy to Gabinyan. Gabinyan balik kay Diza. Diza ngayon. Biglang tumila. Wala. Ball pick up by Godoy number 16. Godoy, baseline move. Yes, sir. Gabay, to Carriaga, tumira sa labas. Using the glass. 3 points. Kabinyan. Congratulations to the winners. Godoy. Kick out to Diza. Diza the baseline. Drop to Godoy. Block! Block by Matthews. Gabay. Using the glass, wala. Ball pick up by Diza. Godoy. Kabinyan ngayon. Kabinyan. Godoy the pick. Diza sa labas. 3. Diza. Gabay. Tokaryaga. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Last touch by Agkawili. Balik sa sarat ang bola. Medrano, balik kay Kabinyan. Kabinyan signaling the play. Walang mapasahan. Bigay kay Diza. Diza to Godoy. Kabinyan the block by Matthews. Hari ng tapalan. Matthews, yes sir. Kabinyan. Ball stolen by Akawili. The pass to Gabay. The layup, yes sir. Easy 2. Umahabol na ang pasukin. Only 5-point lead by Sarat as we approach the 6-minute mark of the third period. Medrano. Tomira using the glass. Easy 2 for Medrano. Gabay nagmamadali. Dapas to Agkawili. Agkawili, the fake, the shot, wala. Ball pick up by Godoy. Diza ngayon, nagmamadali. Pomreno. Diza pa rin. Ball stolen by Matthews. Matthews. The pass to De La Cruz. The jumper. Wala. Rebound Matthews. Foul behind the back. Foul on number 28. Hacking foul. Substitution. Sige, pasok. Pumasok na naman si LeBron James. Agkawili to De La Cruz. To Matthews. Balik kay De La Cruz sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Medrano. Holding foul. Tinawag kay number 7, Carriaga. Only his first personal second team foul, pasukin. Lotranya dribbling the ball. James provided a pick. Lotranya, hesitation move. Drive, the fake. Drop kay Godoy. Godoy, the fade away. Wala, anything but the shot. Carriaga, the rebound to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, nagmamadali. The fade away, wala. Rebound Godoy. Passes to Medrano. Medrano. Walang kasama. Uy, behind the back. Tapos bigla tira sa labas. Wala. Rebound Matthews. Matthews pa rin. The pass to Gabay. Gabay. May foul. Foul given up by number 19, Diza. At the line, shooting to number 31, Gabay. Pasok ang unang tira. Two out of two. Godoy. Almost stolen. Diza tumira sa labas. Wala. Carriaga. Dumiretso. Wala. Follow up by Agkawili. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng Sarat. Reserve timeout. James. Signaling the play. To Godoy. Godoy walang mapasahan. Bigay kay James. Easy 2. Gabay sa labas. Wala. Ball pick up by James to Godoy. Godoy. Cross court pass to Medrano. Balik kay James. Lotran niya sa gitna. Balik kay Diza. Diza. Balik kay Lotran niya. James. Godoy sa gitna. Sumalaksak. May nakitang foul. Foul on number 7, hacking foul. Time out. Sarat. Number 7, Carriaga. Second personal. Third team foul. Pasukin.
Protektado kayo kung natin kita referee di. Sir, di ba?
Back to the ball game. Manupay nga dispenser ken TV ti mabunot. Talo nga dispenser ken talo nga TV. Apo. Sino nga ta ti mga bak? Out the line shooting to Godoy. Makes the first. Two out of two. Gabay. To Carriaga. Carriaga. Balik kay Gabay. Unsportsmanlike foul number 8. Lotranya for throwing an elbow. Matthews. Hindi pumasok yung unang tira. Yun. Ball possession. Pasukin. Gabay. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Walang mapasahan. Balik kay Carriaga. Carriaga baseline move. Ball is loose. Possession arrow. Sarat basketball. Sideline inbound, Sarat. Lotranya. Garcia. To Godoy, to Lotranya. Hesitation move. The lefty, wala. Rebound, Matthews. The baseball pass. Ball stay with Pasukin. Substitution. Gabay. To Villa. Villa, baseline, wala. Carriaga. Villa provided a pick. Carriaga pa rin. The kick out pass to Gabay. Three! Gabay. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang. De La Cruz to number 25. Godoy sa gitna. Foul on number 7, holding foul. His third personal. 14 foul, Pasukin. A baseline inbound for Sarat. Substitution. James. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Godoy. Godoy pa rin. Last touch block. Pasukin basketball. Gabay. Ranyada the pick. Gabay pa rin. Dumiretso. The hawk shot. Wala. De La Cruz. Kick out to Gabay sa labas. Wala. Rebound by 25. Nagmamadali. And one. Basket. Foul on number 26. Pushing foul. At the line shooting for the bonus, Kuraming. Kuraming completed the three-point play opportunity. Gabay. Parang hindi napapagod si Gabay. Ranyada, Matthews sa labas. Balik kay Ranyada. The fake. Ball stolen by Godoy. Godoy to number 1. Hindi pinatira. Foul on number 31, Gabay. Hacking. At the line shooting to De La Cruz. Number 31, Gabay of Pasukin. Third personal. Pasukin in the penalty. Split charities by De La Cruz. Gabay to De La Cruz sa labas. Over the bakod. Garcia. Ball stolen. De La Cruz. Muntik nang pumasok, muntik nang dandani. De La Cruz of the line shooting 2. Makes the first. Two out of 2, De La Cruz. As we enter the final 10 seconds of the third period. James de la Cruz. Godoy, 5 to shoot. Godoy biglang tumira sa labas. Basket! May kasama pang foul. Foul on number 12, pushing. Godoy at the line, shooting for the bonus. Godoy, an opportunity for a 4-point play. Completes the 4-point play. And now, ticket yung Apo. Okay, mga bakti bagas, kita nyo kita raffle ticket yon. Ticket number 1447. Ticket number 1673. 1673. Ticket number 1764. Ticket number 1417. Ticket number 1457. Mga Makti water dispenser, kita nyon. Ticket number 1504. Mga Bakti water dispenser. Ken mga Bakti TV, 32 inches LED TV. Ticket number 168. 1688. Umayo i-claim dito yung price yo Apo. Ito yung management sa Angot stage. Back to the ball game. Fourth and final period. Sige. Dato'y tayo na nga Bakti TV. Winner TV. Ano tayo na? Ganda yun, sir?
Yum, sir.
Ha?
Yum.
Yum burger, ah?
Simeon.
Ay, Yum Simeon. Damok no Yum burger. Taga ano kayo?
Labag, sir.
Lawag. Okay. Winner TV. Ni Sir Yum Simeon. Ray Gabay. Diza sumagot, wala. Rebound Carriaga. Carriaga, the pass stolen by Diza to Godoy. Godoy, the hesitation move. Godoy pa rin, wala. Diza slow things down. Godoy sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Matthews the rebound. Matthews dumiretso using the glass. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Godoy. Di na siya tumalon sa tangkad niya. Kabinyan. Passes to Disa. Last touch. Pasukin. 13 on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Kabinyan, Tugodoy. Balik kay Diza. Diza sa gitna. The drop to Godoy. Yes, sir! What a play. Gabay. Ranyada sa gitna. Pasa sa ilalim. Wala. Karyaga. Gabay. Wala. Kabinyan. Gabay. Dumiretso. Budoy. Kabinyan. Balik kay James. Foul. May kasamang kamay. Foul on number 2. Number 2, James at the line, shooting 2. Wala. Agkawili. Spin move, wala. Godoy slow things down. Kabinyan. Passes to James. James. Masyadong aggressive yung depensa ni Agkawili. Tawagan ng foul. James doing the inbounds. Number 2, Agkawili of Pasukin, 4th personal. Diesel. Wala. Karyaga. Matthews. Yes, sir. Momentarily cut down the lead to 6. Kabinyan. Balik kay Kabinyan. Godoy. Sa low post. Stolen by Matthews. Matthews to Gabay. Dumiretso. Yes, sir. 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng Pasukin. Makahabol kaya sila? Or Sarat will sustain their lead? Kabinyan to Diza. Diza. Sa gitna, Godoy. Godoy. Wala. Ranyada rebound. Matthews to Karyaga. Too many passing. Gabay using the glass. Wala. Kabinyan. Accelerated pela. May foul. Foul on number 31. Gabay. Blocking foul. Substitution. Gabay, warning, 4th personal. Substitution. Fourth foul on Gabay. Godoy, elbow jumper, yes sir. (61-55). Sarat. Agkawili, cross-court pass. Matthews, kick out, pinasahan yung ref. Ball stolen by Medrano, nagmamadali. The pass, deflected by Gabay. Kabinyan. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. 12 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Substitution. Kabinyan. Baseline inbound. To Godoy. Godoy the lefty. Wala. Ball stolen by Diza. Yes, sir. Easy jumper. Gabay to De La Cruz. The short jumper, wala. Medrano. Domenacho sa gitna. And one. What a play. Foul on number 26, hacking foul. At the line, shooting for the bonus, Medrano. Number 26, De La Cruz, second personal. Fourth team foul, Pasukin. Medrano completed the three-point play. Time out, Pasukin. Get ready, Team Lawag and Team Bakara. The last game for tonight's basketball. Gabay. Dribbling the ball. Passes to Matthews. Balik kay Gabay. Gabay pa rin. Ranyada sa ilalim. Dakating De La Cruz. Wala. Kabinyan. Passes to Medrano. Balik kay Kabinyan. To Diza. Diza. Godoy sa ilalim. Up and under move. Ganda. Gabay pa rin. The fade away. Wala. Medrano. To Kabinyan. Kabinyan. Binitin. Yes, sir. Foul on number 31. Number 31, Gabay. 5 personal. At the line, shooting for the bonus, Kabinyan. Kabinyan completed the three-point play opportunity. Matthews, wala rebound, Godoy. To Diza, balik kay Kabinyan, Godoy. Godoy number 16 sa ilalim. Black. Ranyada. To De La Cruz. Cross court pass to Cariaga. Cariaga sumalagsak, kick out to De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Medrano to Kabinyan. Kabinyan 1-and-1 play. Wala. Foul on number 26, De La Cruz. Holding foul. Penalty. Biglang lumobo ang lamang ng Sarat. Misses the first. Misses them both. Cariaga. Passes to De La Cruz, to Matthews. Sa gilid, wala. Kabinyan, slowing things down. To Medrano, sa labas, wala. Rebound, pick up by Matthews. Matthews nagmamadali, pass to Carriaga, easy two. Reserve timeout, Sarat. Godoy. Traveling. Time out, Sarat. Back to the ball game. Carriaga to De La Cruz. Last 2 minutes. Kabinyan. To Medrano. Godoy. Medrano pa rin. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Carriaga. Dumiretso. Easy two. Godoy. Todiza. Labas kay Kabinyan. To Godoy. 8 to shoot. Godoy pa rin. The jumper. Yes, sir. Time out. Pasukin. Back to the ball game. Pasukin basketball. De La Cruz. Ray Lagazo along to Lagazo. Entering too soon. Rejump. Reshoot. Pasok. Out of bounds. Sarat Basketball. Anything but the shot. As we enter the final 23 seconds of the quarter. Carriaga. Matthews. Five.